Alright, we're coming into the grocery store that is not far from our apartment. And this is a typical Filipino grocery store. This is inside of a mall. It is currently 2 days before Christmas. Fine. So, entrance. Sorry for the shaky video. Hi. Security guards, they want to check to make sure people aren't bringing anything in. So, and it's a typical grocery store. Almost exactly like what you would see in America. So, I am here with my lovely fiancée, Crystal, who's trying to be shy from the camera.
Camera shy.
Camera shy. Anyway, typical conditioners, shampoos. I know I'm moving fast. Soaps, names you recognize. There's Dove. There's some ones you don't recognize. What's interesting about the Philippines, let's see if I can find it. Here we go. So the Philippines actually does it by the pouch. So you can actually buy these pouch kits that's got a bunch of them in it instead of the big, large container. Everything's Filipino size. Itty bitty. I'm being a typical tourist today and I'm recording. And just like in America, you've got a large meat section, but their prices are a little more decent. Okay, so let's go. Hey, go figure, they've got a whole aisle full of noodles. It's not like we're in Asia or anything. Oils, tons of different kinds of oils. Mexican stuff. I mean, there is no different. Oh, palm oil, you don't see that in America.
Really?
Yeah. Tons of things.
Vinegar.
Vinegar, okay.
Salt.
Wow, this is salt?
Yep.
Okay.
Iodized.
Yeah, in America they come in these little cardboard tubes, or cans, whatever you want to call them. Seasonings, tons of seasonings, just, you know. Bouillon stuff, bouillon cubes, soy sauce. Hey, they got a big Asian section. Haha. Alright, Crystal, what's Halal Foods? Oh, Islamic. So this is going to be stuff that was killed in accordance to Halal. Yeah. So it's probably pork free. I don't know, I'm not Islamic, so don't let me offend anyone. Huh? Yeah, it said Islamic. Here you go, Dad. Here's you some Spam, corn, pork, corn, beef. Luncheon meat. Oh, look, here's luncheon meat, ham. Oh, man. A little bit of everything. They've even got Vienna sausages. Where are they at? Sorry, the speakers are loud here. Beef loaf.
Century tuna. Do you have century tuna?
Huh? Century tuna? We have tons of tunas, but I've never seen century tuna. You're fine, ladies. Go ahead. So tons of... Ah, here we go. Vienna sausages. I knew they were here.
45 pesos.
Yeah, 45 pesos is less than $1.
Yeah.
Yeah, 50 pesos to the dollar. More.
20.
Sexy chick.
These are Philippine sardines.
Yeah, they have tons of sardines, Dad. Look at this. Sardines. All the way to there. Sorry, ma'am. I'm getting everyone's way. Oh, look. Green beans, black beans. Here, look. I'll just show you the size. That's the size of the cans here. 11 pesos. Hot dog section. Here we go. Here's some more pouches. So, powdered milk, chocolate milk, more chocolate milk. This is Energen. This is a type of cereal that Crystal absolutely loves. So it says a breakfast stuff.
Oatmeal. Do you have
Oatmeal. Yep, we have tons of oatmeal. They don't have the malto meal, which I like, but I can hardly find it in America, so not surprised I don't find it in the Philippines. They have cracked oats, rolled oats, normal cereals. I mean, so their jelly section is interesting. So let me, oh, this isn't the right, yeah, here we go. So they have jelly powder. You cannot find jelly in a jar like you do in the US. They even have jelly in a can that you refrigerate, but we've tried it before, and the jelly in a can sucks. There's no flavor and it kind of smells off. So, tons of teas, lots of tea section. So, tons of coffees. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
So, you're fine. Flours, all-purpose, cornstarch. Literally everything you see is just like in America with some twist to it, you know? With a Filipino twist to it. How about that? Alright, yeah. Let's see, what is this? This is fruits and juices.
People are looking at you.
That's fine, they can look. I'm not scared. So, tons of juices. Hey, Welch's, Mott's, typical stuff. You know, Del Monte. But then there's stuff like Tipco, never heard of it. So, lots of cans. Mayonnaise, mayo, sandwich cream, Thousand Island. Hey, look, American-sized mayonnaise.
Cheese. Love cheese, right?
Yes, lots. You know I love cheese, dear. Lots and lots of cheese, even more than we have in America. Tons. Well, because you got to think about it. A lot of the stuff is prepared. A lot of the stuff is prepared because the average family doesn't have a refrigerator. So a lot of this stuff has to be prepared for the...
What is that?
That's what I was looking for. So I stand corrected. I did not see this the other day when I was in here. Here's the Smucker's jellies. Jellies, jams.
Yeah, with flavor.
Yeah, these are what we have in America. So, and they even have sugar-free. So they do have it, see? I've been here 4 times already and I didn't see it. Well, look, butter on the shelf. Non-refrigerated. Gonna get run over.
What's my
I'm about to go first instead of Crystal. I'll start elbowing my way through. So here you go, Rose. There's some olives for Albert.
There?
Yeah, sure. Well, let's go with the Pringles aisle, the chip aisle. Hey, I know I keep pointing stuff out, but I'm just wanting to show you guys that it's exactly like in America, just a little bit different. You know, just some twists. I know I'm kind of walking fast and going through it, but you guys should recognize some of these packages. Double mint gum, peanuts, silly workers. Yeah, see? Dried fruits, dried lots of stuff. Chocolates. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Oh, look. Hey, here's Snickers. Yep, I'm out of your way in a minute, ma'am. Sorry. Let's go down the fruit aisle. That's bread and cookies. This aisle. Fruits. Fruit box. This is for Christmas.
You guys have like this in America.
Yeah, except they're not generally this good looking. Oh wow, interesting. You guys packaging stuff? Ooh. That's what you call a mango. Oh, that's papaya. Now, you notice these are local fresh bananas. These are not the monster or ones you get from South America. These bananas are, as you see, not that long. Oh, I wanted to show the coconuts. The coconuts we have in America are small. Hey look, non-refrigerated eggs. The difference here is they don't do the acid wash that we do in America that weakens the membrane, so you can actually keep the eggs out on the shelf. So it's a big difference. I'm not really showing prices, I know, you know, but prices fluctuate here just like they fluctuate in the States. What? Oh, salted eggs? Okay, so they got tons of different kinds of eggs here. Century eggs, salted eggs, what is it? Balut?
Balut.
Yeah. Dried fishes. Tons of dried fishes. Dried shrimps. Onions. A lot smaller, more manageable packages. Garlic. Look, more dried fish. I think we're in Asia. Hey, Gatorade. Yogurts. Butters, milks. Can you get raw milk here, Crystal? Can you get raw milk unpasteurized? Yeah. What?
No?
Yes. So like full cream. Let's see. I don't know if that's
Fresh milk.
fresh milk. I don't know if that's pasteurized or not. 100% pure fresh. I don't know. Not sure. Say hi. Huh? Milkfish?
Milkfish, boneless. Milkfish.
Boneless milkfish, nice. Lots of fish. Hey, meat on a stick. Tons and tons of stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that this is almost exactly like what you would find in America. All right. More hot dogs, you know, thick and juicy. I mean, bacon, chicken nuggets. There's nothing here. Well, I can't say there's nothing. You'll find stuff here that you can't find in America, and there's stuff you can't find here that you find in America. I mean, but they've got tons of beer. The wines, Heineken, Busch, Budweiser, those are imports here, not native, but they're, you know. All right, I'm not going to give you the full tour of the store, but that's pretty much it. It's 15 minutes, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.